Let's take a look at these two resistors. First resistor has color bands green, blue, gold, silver. Again, look at this diagram. The very first two bands represent the numbers. The third band represents the multiplier, which is simply number of zeros, and the fourth band represents the tolerance. Green represents digit 5. I'm going to write 5. Blue represents digit 6. That's why I'm going to write 6 over here. Gold at the third position is my multiplier, and gold represents 10 to negative 1, which is simply 1/10. That's why I'm going to multiply 56 by 1/10. And silver represents the tolerance plus minus 10%. Plus minus 10%. Next, I'm going to multiply 56 by 1/10. This is equal 5.6 ohms with the tolerance plus minus 10%. This is the resistance of this resistor. Let's take a look at the next example. We have a resistor which has following color bands: white, brown, gold, gold. White represents digit 9. I'm going to write 9 over here. Brown represents digit 1. Gold represents the multiplier 10 to negative 1, which is nothing else, just 1/10. That's why I'm going to multiply 91 by 1/10. The tolerance, okay, gold represents plus minus 5%. Okay? 91 times 0.1 is nothing else, just 9.1 ohms, and tolerance plus minus 5%. And this is the resistance of this resistor.